Welcome to the online classes of St. Xavier's Public School. Now it's maths time, so everyone get ready, okay? So let's start. Today we do our new worksheet. Our worksheet is color and count the objects and write the correct number, okay? So let's start. Okay, so start. First, how many mushrooms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mushrooms. So how many mushrooms? 8 mushrooms. So right here 8. Okay. So next, how many cookies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cookies. So everyone write here 10. How many cookies? 10 cookies. Okay. Next, how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. How many apples? 4 apples. So everyone write here 4. Right. So next, how many ice cream? 1, 2. 2 ice creams. How many ice creams? 2 ice creams. So right here 2. Next, how many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cups here. So right here 5. Okay. So everyone, keep learning and stay at your home. Bye bye.